in this video, let's add sound effect in our game. So let's try how can we add sound in SwiftUI. Okay, SwiftUI. But before that, let me fix a big mistake I made in the previous videos. The layout, the deployment of the pieces is wrong. This row of pawns, red pawns, should be here. Okay, sorry about that. So let's see, maybe it's, yeah, right, yeah. This should be 6, I guess. Okay, yeah, now they are in the original places. Okay, so let's do our sound stuff. Okay, and to play sound, we'll use this CChess game. Let's create a function here to play sound. Okay, like that. Function play sound. Okay, something like that. And to play sound, we need to import AV foundation. Import another module, AV foundation. Yeah, and let's create an audio player. Okay, so audio player, and its type is AV audio player question mark. Yeah, because when we create it might fail. How can we create this guy, initialize this guy? Oh, we need a sound file, right? So I already have that here, and let's drag it into our project. So put it here, copy if needed. Yeah, this guy. Let's test it. Yeah, okay, so it sounds like dropping of a piece. Now let's go back to our code. So we'll initialize this player with our sound file. So we'll use we'll create the AV audio player object. So we need to read the file, right? The sound file from the file system. If let, because it might fail. So let's create the URL from the bundle main bundle dot URL for resources with extension. Okay, resource is our drop. Okay, so extension dot wave, right? Dot wave, and here we can initialize our audio player equals AV audio contents of URL. Cool, right? And it doesn't compile, right? Because creating an audio player might fail, so it is required to put try like that. So we use the question mark. So if it failed, we just ignore it, right? So this will be nil. So play sound, easy. Just do audio player dot play. Yeah, that's it. And the question mark means we don't care if it failed. Okay, now it's ready. It means the object, right, of our game can be called, right, by this function, play sound, to play the sound. Okay, so what we need to play sound when we draw, when we land a bit or make a move, right? So it is here. Here is the place, right? We make a move. Make a move. We can put it here inside this one, move piece. or we can put it here. I think it's better to put it here. So because the yeah, so we'll do self dot game dot play sound. So this time let's try it on my iPhone first. I'll tell you why. So iPhone 7, the real device. Okay, so and I'll bring up this console to see if there's any error message out. Okay, so run it and I'll let you hear the sound when I make a move. Okay, I'll make a move. Yeah, did you hear the sound? Yeah, the second move, right? Okay, cool, everything works fine and then nothing is done here, no error message. Now let me show you what happened on the simulator. This guy. So first of all, it will output this error message, but this is fine. We saw this before. This is fine. It won't affect. It means when it's the simulator, right, tries to read the to initialize the audio or audio player, it got some error message, but this is fine. The bad thing is I can't when it tries to play the sound, it choked the app. Okay, let me show you. Okay, you see I cannot move the piece. Wow. And there's a huge lag here. So let me clean up and try it again. So let's try to move this piece. Okay, see, I think the app is dead or something because of this piece of code. Play sound. Oh, now okay, the reason I guess is because I'm using a beta version of this latest Mac OS version 11 beta. Okay, so maybe after a few weeks or months, right, when it's upgraded to the published version, right, the normal version, then this will be gone, I guess. So for now, so you already know if you are not using this, it works. It should work, right, in the other normal version instead of this one. So hopefully you are not using this one, and if you are using this one, we can temporarily comment out the code here. Yeah, let's try it again, run it. So this doesn't matter, this error message is okay. So now I can move the piece normally. Yeah, so can we put our to do right here? It's like that, to do come back to uncomment the following line. Okay, so can we see the to do here? No, it's not like that. What about, I forgot its syntax. Let's Google it. Okay, so Xcode and to do to do comments. Oh, I needed a colon, I guess. Okay, let's see. colon. Yes, yes, yes. You see? Now it's there for our reminder. Okay. So cool. That's it. See you next time. Thank you for watching.